Alright team, so sometimes you might think you have a hamstring flexibility problem, just like Chase here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a really simple test to see how high he can lift one leg and see what's going on with his hamstring. So what he's going to do is lie on his back, arms out to the side, palms up. He's going to keep this leg straight. This leg, he's going to have his toes pulled to his face. Yep, feet together. He's going to lift this leg as high as he can. Go for it, nice and slow. And stop when you've hit your limit. So that's all he's got. Go back down. Let's do the other leg. And same then. So you see how it's pretty terrible. Ideally, he wants to be somewhere around here where that foot finishes, and he's just nowhere near that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to simply get him to place one hand on top of the other. He's now going to press down hard into my hand and then lift one leg. Go. And relax. And same again. Press down hard and go. Good. Relax. So what we just did is we got his hamstrings to just lengthen without even stretching, as you saw live. What was happening is when he presses down hard, his abs have to turn on. Now when his abs turn on, his hamstring can finally relax and actually lengthen and do its job. So what's going on for Chase is he thought he had to stretch his hamstrings all the time to increase his hamstring flexibility, when in fact all he needs to do is just turn this on. His hamstrings will relax and actually lengthen, and the problem goes away.